Happy Independence Day. Welcome dear friends. Here I like to talk about what is the true meaning of independence. As we approach our Independence Day, ask yourself, why do we need independence? What will happen if we are not independent? Animals never celebrate Independence Day because they are not dependent. But there is no day in the entire human life where we can say, I am living an independent life. We are dependent on oxygen, water, food. So, for human beings, what do we mean by independence? This word is beyond religion because whatever religion one may follow, if you belong to a nation, Independence Day is a celebration for all. We celebrate Independence Day, but on whom are we dependent? The only answer is, however much we work towards global peace and oneness in humanity, every human being will live with an identity till the last moment, to a nation or to a religion. We may superficially state that we are all same, but this will only be a saying until we realize what real independence is. On the very first note, we should feel gratitude towards the divine for having our presence, where we truly have independence to speak what we want, how to live a life the way we decide, which isn't a possibility in many countries. The fear of being controlled by others is the basic fear for human beings. We feel emotionally depressed when someone controls us. Before that, we try to have the power to control the other. A set of rules of regulations are formed by a nation for us own protection survival. But this alone is not independence. Real independence. Real independence is understanding one can live a life of his own choice only when he is economically and emotionally independent. Or one can experience the freedom of his existence only when he is not emotionally or economically dependent on someone. This is possible only when you realize that your knowledge, experience, people, only two things are going to decide that you will have an independent life. First is health. And the untold naked truth is, even if we have health, you are still dependent on oxygen, but not dependent on any human beings. Now, you need to understand the huge difference between necessity and dependence. Anything that is necessary or is fundamental requirement for his existence is already given by nature, without discrimination, without partiality, without preference. You don't need to go in search of it. It will come and reach you. You are designed in a way that you don't search oxygen for your survival. It happens to you when you are healthy. However, it comes to emotions. You are dependent on the behavior of the people who are related to you. This is the same for people who are related with you. They are dependent on your behavior. They are emotionally dependent on their loved ones or people they are surrounded. People want to give a better life to their children in spite of knowledge, think they can actually give a better life when they have financial freedom. The point to be understood is, finance does not decide your experience, your karma does. One could be blessed with very wealthy family but without good health. Wealth cannot promise you a good experience. Understanding this knowledge is the first step towards real freedom, real independence, both emotionally and economically. In simple words, dependence is a possibility only to the people who realize that the life they live, the life they lived, and the life they will live is decided only by their karma. You are the master. The only master who can take control over the karma is you. The independence is explained in the Vedas and other holy scriptures in a very simple way. No matter how many masters may have come to this world, but the only master who can be the master of your life is you. Failing to understand that you are the only master who can be the master of your life, you will land up in disaster. But realizing the simple truth, you will experience true independence forever. At last, I would like to conclude with live as people who are free, not using your freedom as a cover-up for evil, but living for God. Honor everyone, love the brotherhood, fear God, honor the emperor. Ultimately, the true independence is
Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He.